welcome to another video. So today I have had something just turn up in the post. I have got myself a new nail lamp. So this is the Blueque V8. It is 168 watt. This lamp looks absolutely gorgeous, guys. So my lamp is working, but I think it's going on the blink. I was curing a top coat the other day and it was still sticky, and it's a top coat that I'm used to as well, and it's a no wipe top coat, so there's definitely something going on with my old lamp. So I thought I'd get myself a new lamp. So inside the box you've got warranty and a free gift. Got the instructions, tells you what's in the box, tells you what all the buttons are for. So let's have a look at it, shall we? So I bought this off Aliexpress. I'm going to leave the link for it in my description box below, so if anyone wants to check it out they can do. And it is one that comes with a plug. When you go to order this, guys, it does give you the option of what plug you want. I think there was 4 different options, which is good. Ooh, look at that. It is so pretty. One thing I will say, the cable for the plug's not very long. I'd say it's probably just over 1 metre, I'd say. It's definitely shorter than my other one, which it doesn't matter to me because my extension cable is right next to me, but yeah, it could have done with having a little bit of a longer cable, really. I love this little handle and this rose gold chrome. Oh, that is so pretty. So if I want the clock to start and stop when I take my hand out, I can just keep it on the double power mode. Put my hand in, take my hand out and it'll stop. Put it in, take it out, it'll stop. But if I want it on the 30 seconds, I put my hand in, take my hand out. It won't, it just keeps timing down. So I need to press the button again to turn it off. See, I always thought I preferred lamps with a sensor, but since I've been using my practice hand a lot more, I find that when I'm hovering the lamp over the hand, it doesn't seem to catch the sensor, so it turns itself off and it's really annoying. So I think I'm actually going to get on better with this lamp not having a sensor. So double power is on a sensor. The 10, the 30 and the 60 and the 99 low heat mode is not. Okay, I think I've got that right now. So if I want 10 seconds, I press 10, 30, 30. If I want 60, I press 60. If I want the 99 seconds low heat mode, I press that until it says 0 and counts upwards. That's the low heat mode. If I want the double power, I take my hand out, press it again, and it'll say 0, 0, 0. I pop my hand in and it will start counting up like that. And I can feel that double power. I can feel the heat coming off that. Oh, this is going to make my life so much easier and my cure time so much quicker. So, what I'm going to do is I am going to paint 2 tips. One black, one white, because I think they are the most known colours for having curing issues with. And we'll see what it's like for curing, shall we? Oh, and I forgot to mention as well, this is one where you can take the base off as well. Look at all these lights. There's so many lights there. I'm definitely not going to have any issues with it not curing the edges of the nails. Definitely not on this. There's so many lights. I've not had one with a base before. This is my first one with a base. I like that it's got a base, because I always end up getting gel on my table, you know, from swatch sticks. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow So I'm going to pop that one in for 30 seconds. that one a cure. There we go. No wrinkling. Give them a wipe with some isopropyl alcohol. There we are. Both fully cured at the sides. Yes, yes, yes. Oh wow, this lamp is just gonna make my life so much easier. I'm not gonna have to worry about it not curing properly. So I thought, yeah, I'd treat myself to a new lamp, and I'm so pleased I did. Like I said at the beginning, guys, I'm gonna leave the link to this in my description box below. That's everything for today's video, guys. I just thought I would share this with you in case anyone's looking for a nice cheap new lamp. I'm really happy with it. It seems like a really good little lamp, and it's super cheap as well. You can't go wrong at that price. So yeah, that's everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.